Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 1st September 2021 and this question came on second shift. So let us see this question first. Question says, for a given circuit which is already given to you, a current I through the battery when the key is closed and the steady state has been reached is. So that means the circuit consisting of different resistors as well as inductor is given to you. Along with the battery when key is closed. So at steady state, what would be the current flowing through the circuit, or what would be the current supplied by battery, that you need to find out. Okay, we already know that at steady states, if I'll visualize this question and redraw it, you'll be getting like this. This is 30 volt. Okay, at steady state we already know this inductor will behave like a straight wire. Okay, and this inductor is also behave like a straight wire. So we can visualize this question as it consists of this resistor, it consists of 2 ohm resistor along with 3 ohm resistor along with this additional 3 ohm resistor. Okay, and one more resistor is there which is also 3 ohm. So that means at a steady state, these two will behave like these two inductors will behave like a wire. Okay, so the effective resistance across the battery that you need to find out in order to find out the value of current. So the effective resistance of these three resistors, because since they are in parallel, so the effective resistance of these three would be 1 ohm, and this 1 ohm would be in series with this 2 ohm resistor. So the equivalent resistance across battery is 2 ohm plus 1 ohm, so which comes out to be 3 ohm. Okay, so this is the R equivalent that we have find out. So the battery potential is already given to you, which is 30 volt. So the current supplied by the battery, which is I, must be equal to V by R equivalent. So V is nothing but 30 volts, so equivalent is 3 ohm. So you'll get 10 ampere as the current supplied by the battery at its steady state. So third option is the correct option. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.